Now, let's come to the chapter. In this chapter, there is a boy named Adam and he is from USA. Let's find out more about him. I want you to open page number 2 now. And on page number 2, Adam is telling about himself. Keep your eyes on this page and listen to what he is saying.
I am Adam. I am 7 years old. I have hair. I am wearing a red shirt because red is my favorite color. I like playing with my orange basketball. My favorite fruit is watermelon. This is my cat, Fluffy.
Now, let us come to page number 3 and see what is he telling about. So, on page number 3, let's listen to the lines.
I love my family. We live in the USA. Meet my dad. Meet my mom. Meet my brother Hassan. Meet my sister Amina.
Okay, so now at the bottom of page number 3, there is a learning key. So, in the text above, you saw that there were words mixed with colors black and blue, isn't it? Can you notice this in the text above? Yes. So, the letters which are in blue color, which are A, E, I, O, and U. Can you see these letters? These letters are called vowels. And all the other letters in black are called consonants. Vowels and consonants combine together to make new words. At the bottom of page 3, we have an activity. In this activity, we will discuss the following questions. The first question is, who is in your family? For example, my answer is, I have my mom, my dad, and my sister in my family. Now, you tell who is there in your family. The second question is, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is yours? Now you tell. How do you show your love to your family? I show love to my family by helping them. Now you can also tell your mother or your sister or anyone in the family that how you show your love to them. Our last question is, which sports do you like to play? I like to play tennis. Which sport do you like to play? So, this was it for this lecture. Thank you for joining me.